Happy morning, children. Hope all are fine. Here, as I already told you, we have to complete this personal pronoun in a literature book. Okay, so this I already discussed all about the personal pronouns. Okay, once again we can revise. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, them, me, us, him, her, and am. And them are the personal pronoun. So children, as I told you, these are the subject personal pronoun or subject pronoun we can say. But them, we, us, him, her, and them, these are the object pronoun. Okay, so you have to revise it. The personal pronoun I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are used before verbs. Where we have to use them? Before verbs. Means the subject pronoun we have to use before verb. We can say and me, you, him, it, us, them, where we have to use after verbs. Okay, as I already told you, we have to use as object means after the verb. Okay, or when we are completing the sentence. So before it we can use the object pronoun. Here are some examples. I saw a green door. This I is before verb. Okay, and I is subject pronoun. Got it? I have given many examples of this. Now mummy gave me a sandwich. Here this is a verb and this is object pronoun. So after verb we have to use object pronoun and before verb we have to use subject pronoun. Let us read this table to find out what are the different personal pronoun are used. As these all things I already discussed. I, may, we have to refer to the speaker. This is personal pronoun and use is to refer to the speaker, means who is speaking. For example, I am a girl. Here I am a speaker. Okay, I am telling to you means I am a speaker and you are the listener. So for example, I am a girl, I am a boy. Okay, please give me a pen. In place of I, we can write me as object, but after verb. So let us take second personal pronoun. We and us. We and us we have to use to refer to a group of people including the speaker. Speaker means the person who is speaking. Means group of people, we have to include it with the speaker. Take the example. We are late. Is this for us? Okay, we are late. Example is given. And here it is us as object pronoun. And this is subject pronoun. Now you. You is second person. I already told you. These are I and we. This is the first person and this is second person. Okay, in the previous class I already discussed everything. So you is second person. It is referred to the person or persons we are talking to. Suppose if I say you are, yes, you are the boy or girl. So here I am talking about you. So the person or persons are talking to. You are very obedient. Shall I tell you to tell you a secret? So you here as a object and here as a subject pronoun. Or we know very well you we have to use as a singular or plural both the nouns. Or for the subject and object pronoun we have to use it. There is no change as I, me and we, us. Okay. Let us third person. These are the third person. He, him, she, her, it, they, them. So for he we have to use yes, him, she, her, it itself, no change in it, and they, it has to change into them as object. He is the subject, him is object pronoun, she is the subject, and her is object pronoun. Okay, clear? And it, there is no change as you. So to refer to the persons, animals or things, these we have to use as a persons, animals and things. As I have seen, many students has written for the family it, isn't it? But there are the person in a family, there are the person, a family, it is already mentioned. So for the family we have to write it. If there is family, then we can write them. Okay, that was written in the worksheet, our families. So for our family we have to write it, because we have to use these things for the person, animals or things we are talking about. So look at here. He is at a party and it is with them. It may be the things also. Maybe it can person as a family like. Okay. So animals, person or things we can use it and them as a object pronoun. Clear? Now let us start the exercise. Exercise number 1. So here what we will do? Personal pronouns. As I already told you what are the personal pronoun, how we have to use it. Underline the personal pronoun in these sentences. Our pronouns are words used in the place of noun. This we know very well. The words which we have to use in place of noun, these are called the pronouns. So here we have to use personal pronoun. Okay. So personal pronoun, right now I have told you. So here first one is Tom and Tara are talking to me. So what is the personal pronoun? Me. And second one is I am listening to them. So second one is them. Third one is Uncle Ryan is also listening to him. Here we have to use him. And see, student, this is also personal pronoun because I, we, you, they, he, she, it, me, us, him, her, them. These all are the personal pronouns. So here we have to underline. I is personal pronoun, them is personal pronoun. And first there is only one. Okay. Once again, here me, here I, here them, and here him. Now what is the fourth one, sorry. We all felt scared on hearing about the green toe. So what is here personal pronoun? We. Okay. Any other personal pronoun is here in this sentence? No. Only one. We itself. Now let's see the last one. They said they will never know what lies behind that door. So here are two personal pronouns. Got it? They and again they. So here the question is underline the personal pronoun in these sentences. So we have to underline the personal pronoun like this as we have learned. Okay, these are the personal pronoun. Okay, let's come to the second exercise. I hope this will be clear for everyone. Here question number V. Rewrite these sentences by using personal pronoun in place of the highlighted words. One has done for you. So here what we have to do? Again we have to use personal pronoun. Okay. Let's start. Question number 1. The elephant trumpeted loudly. The elephant. What we have to use for this elephant? As I have given in the worksheet. Yes. For the elephant, we have to write it. Okay. It we have to write. Already written in the answer itself. The elephant trumpeted loudly. It was calling its friends. Okay. Now come to the second question. Sarma and Rao are good footballers. Sarma and Rao. In place of this, what we will write? They. Okay, Sarma and Rao means we are talking about the third person here. Sarma and Rao. We are talking about them. So here we have to write they always score goals. Clear, students? Question number 3. The cat ran quickly. The cat. Again, as the elephant, we have to write it. As the cat. Tried to run up the tree. Question number 4. The children got together. The children. What we have to use for the children? Yes, there are many children, no? So, what we have to use for the plural? For the plural, we have to use they. The children means we have to use they. So, the children got together. They were practicing for a play. Question number 5. Ravi is visiting Jay and Tia. Ravi. Yes, Ravi is boy or girl? Boy. So, we have to write he. He will be staying with Jay and Tia means what we have to write in this? Again, we are talking about the third person. So, Jay and Tia, we have to use them. Ravi is visiting Jay and Tia. Ravi, for Ravi, we have to use he. He will be staying with them. Okay. Question number 6. Survi and Bordo wanted to go to the village fair. Fair means Mela. Okay. Surbi said, Father, please take me, Bordo and me to the fair. So again, in place of Bordo and me, what we will write? Because she is talking her father to take us to the fair. Okay. So Surbi said, Father, please take us to the fair. We will not write please take to them because Surbi is saying to her father. So once again, we have to check. First already written. Second one is Sarma and Rao. We have to write they. The cat, it, children, they. And fifth one is here Ravi, he, and Tia, and Jay, them, you can write here them, and this one is us. Okay. So where we have to write these answers? Just after. First of all, you have to underline the words and before this only you have to write the answers like this. Okay. And you have to practice this exercise in your rough notebook. So students, I hope you would have cleared about the personal pronoun. Okay.